Our agent was actually able to negotiate a deal with the owner before the property got on the market, so that alone she was able to negotiate a very good deal with us, with the owner, to get us like a very good price for the home.
So they chose us, and we were able to go through with escrow and get this home for $20,000 less than it got appraised for, so that's great.
So we get this property because my agent was able to structure as good as cash, and then we did a lot of multiple offer, so we get the property here.
At Rudy's team, Rudy offers us appointments where we don't have to do any of these cold callings and door knocking and trying to get our appointments every day and have to worry about where our next appointment is going to come. It's because all this is provided by Rudy.
The one thing that I decided to come join the Rudy Consumer Home Selling Team is this: it's very simple. Time, money, and at the same time flexibility. With the Rudy Consumer Home Selling Team, I no longer have to prospect anymore.
And they basically feed you all the leads. So instead of spending your time on lead generation, you can actually focus that time either on your family or even on your hobby, or really learning what you are supposed to do as an agent.